Welcome here everyone, my name's Kevin Funk. Now if you're watching this video, it's because you've obviously stumbled on my channel. And I think it's up to me to tell you what you're gonna find in this place. It's really quite straightforward. I love food, I'm a cook. You're gonna find recipes, and that's predominantly what we've been doing up to this point. But you're also gonna be finding farm tours. I have a lot of friends who I've met along the years from my restaurant who I've worked with, and we're gonna do farm tours. We've started with Blumenfeld Creamery and moved on to Prairie Cricket Farms, where they raise and sell crickets. Cool things like that. We're gonna do little docu series on that, and that right now is in the works. And we're supplementing it with all the recipe videos, predominantly barbecue, because I love barbecue. So we're gonna show you everything we do. And then as we get our butts to the farm, which yes, we're moving to the farm very soon. Right now we're in town, we're moving to the farm. That was our end dream, to have a restaurant venue out in a rural property, and we're about ready to get there. So we're gonna also show videos of that and the process from transforming the beautiful property into our dream. We are gonna have farm-to-table restaurants, something you do not find in our neck of the woods, Southern Manitoba. So we're very excited about that. And we're right near the valley. It's absolutely gorgeous. So that's what you're gonna find on this channel. You're gonna find recipes, you're gonna find barbecue how-to, you're gonna find product reviews, and you're gonna find our farm journey. I'm moving out there with my wife and my 3 beautiful children and my brand new German Shepherd puppy, and soon we're gonna have a bunch of animals and learn on the fly. That's what this is all about, learning as we go. Me and my wife, we jump headfirst into everything we do, and we're gonna show you exactly how literal I mean when we say we jump into things. We just give her. And the purpose of this channel is just to share our life with you, the recipes, to hope you can find some value from them in this fast-paced world where cooking is becoming less and less of a thing, and we're getting fast food, etc. Food brings people together, and it's important, and we can't lose that. So we're gonna have canning episodes, we're gonna have food preservation, things like that. How to make chicken stock, the basics, and bring them back, because now more than ever, I feel that's very important. So that is the value that I hope you can receive from this channel. And if you like it, I encourage you, please subscribe, because the support means the world. It helps us grow, and with growth, we can do better quality product. So once again, I'd like to thank you for stopping by and giving us a chance. My name's Kevin. Happy to meet y'all. Feel free to comment and start open dialogue, because I love to talk, because I can learn something from you. Maybe you can learn something from me, and we both win. Have a great day. Cheers.